Hey, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of your dull and lifeless skin? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate skincare routine, lifestyle habits, and expert tips to help you achieve glass skin naturally. So, what exactly is glass skin? In Korean beauty, glass skin refers to a complexion that is clear, smooth, and intensely hydrated, giving it a luminous, almost translucent effect, just like a piece of glass. This trend isn't just about applying tons of skincare products, but about nourishing your skin from within and following a disciplined routine to maintain that healthy glow. Step 1. Double cleansing, the foundation of clear skin. One of the biggest secrets behind Korean glass skin is double cleansing. This is a two-step process that ensures your skin is deeply cleansed and free from dirt, oil, and impurities. Oil-based cleanser. Start with an oil cleanser to break down sunscreen, makeup, and excess sebum. Massage gently and rinse with lukewarm water. Water-based cleanser. Follow up with a gentle foaming cleanser to remove any remaining residue and leave your skin feeling fresh and clean. Step 2. Gentle exfoliation for a smooth texture. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. Instead of harsh scrubs, opt for chemical exfoliants like AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, or BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids, to gently resurface the skin. Do this 2 to 3 times a week to keep your skin baby smooth without causing irritation. Step 3. Hydration is everything, toners and essences. For that bouncy, dewy look, hydration is a non-negotiable step. In K-beauty, hydration starts with toners and essences. Hydrating toner. Use a toner infused with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or green tea to replenish moisture and balance your skin. Essence. An essence is a lightweight, highly concentrated formula that deeply penetrates the skin, boosting hydration and elasticity. Pat it in using your hands for better absorption. Step 4. Serums and ampules, targeted treatments. Serums and ampules are packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns, such as dullness, uneven texture, or fine lines. Look for vitamin C for brightening and reducing dark spots, niacinamide for strengthening the skin barrier and evening out skin tone, hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and plumpness. Step 5. Moisturizer, locking in hydration. A good moisturizer helps seal in all the previous layers of hydration and prevents moisture loss. Opt for lightweight, gel-based moisturizers for oily skin and richer creams for dry skin. Ingredients like ceramides and squalane help maintain the skin's protective barrier. Step 6. Sunscreen, the ultimate skin protector. No Korean skincare routine is complete without sunscreen. UV damage is one of the biggest causes of premature aging and hyperpigmentation, so applying SPF 50+ daily is essential. Even on cloudy days, sunscreen protects your skin and helps maintain that youthful, radiant glow. Lifestyle tips for Korean glass skin. Achieving glass skin isn't just about skincare, it's also about healthy habits that reflect on your skin. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside. Eat antioxidant-rich foods like berries, green vegetables, and nuts to fight free radicals. Get enough sleep to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Avoid stress, since cortisol can lead to breakouts and dull skin. And that's it! Following these steps consistently will help you achieve glass skin naturally without needing expensive treatments or filters. Skincare is all about patience and consistency, so don't expect overnight results. But with dedication, your skin will transform over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and skincare secrets. Let me know in the comments below which step you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay glowing and confident. Bye for now.